Quadratic formula. Understand the structure of the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Apply the quadratic formula to find the roots of quadratic equations. Interpret the solutions in the context of real-world problems. Goals for this lesson. Understand the structure of the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Apply the quadratic formula to find the roots of quadratic equations. Interpret the solutions in the context of real-world problems. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify coefficients. For a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, identify the values of a, b, and c. Step 2. Calculate the discriminant. Compute the value of the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, to determine the nature of the roots. Step 3. Apply the quadratic formula. Substitute the values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula to find the roots. Repeat after me. Solve. 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Step 1. Identify coefficients. A equals 2, b equals negative 4, c equals negative 6. Step 2. Calculate the discriminant. Negative 4 times 2, negative 6, equals 16 plus 48 equals 64. Step 3. Apply the quadratic formula. X equals 4 plus root of 64 over 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 8 over 4. X equals 3 or x equals negative 1. Solve. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Step 1. Identify coefficients. A is 1, b is 6, c is 9. Step 2. Calculate the discriminant. 6 squared minus 4 minus 1, 9 equals 36 minus 36 equals 0. Step 3. Apply the quadratic formula. X equals negative 6 plus or sine over 2 times 1 equals negative 6 over 2. X equals negative 3, double root. Word problem. A projectile is launched and its height is modeled by the equation h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 48. Find when it hits the ground. Set h of t equals 0. Negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 48 equals 0. Step 1. Identify coefficients. A equals negative 16, b equals 32, c equals 48. Step 2. Calculate the discriminant. 32 squared minus 4 negative 16 times 48 equals 1024 plus 3072 equals 4096. Step 3. Apply the quadratic formula. T equals negative 32 plus square root of 4096 equals negative 32 plus 64 over negative 32. T equals 1 or t equals 3. Common mistakes include solve. X squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Discriminant 4 squared minus 4, 1, 4 equals 0. X equals negative 2, correct, but miss that it's a double root. Solve. 3x squared minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. Discriminant negative 6 squared minus 432 equals 36 minus 24 equals 12. X equals 6 plus or minus root 12 over 6 equals 1 plus or minus root 3. Correct, but forgot to simplify. Correct versions are solve. X squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Discriminant 4 squared minus 4, 1, 4 equals 0. X equals negative 2, double root, correctly noted. Solve. 3x squared minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. Discriminant negative 6 squared minus 432 equals 36 minus 24 equals 12. X equals e6 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 6 equals 1 plus or minus root 3, correctly simplified. Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. Solve for x. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Answer: x equals 2 or x equals 3. 2. Which value of x satisfies the equation 2x squared plus 8x plus 6 equals 0? A. X equals negative 1. B. X equals negative 3. C. X equals negative 2. Answer B. 3. Solve. 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. A. X equals 1. B. X equals 3. C. X equals 2. Answer C. Pro tip. Always check the discriminant to understand the nature of the roots. If it's 0, you have a double root. If positive, 2 distinct roots. If negative, no real roots. Summary. The quadratic formula provides a systematic way to find the roots of any quadratic equation. The discriminant helps determine the number and type of solutions.